Now that we've heard the value that bathroom renovations can offer, let's consider some basic guidelines to follow as you ponder your own home. When you look at the numbers of bedrooms, the square footage, and the number of occupants, is one bathroom enough? Is two? These simple rules will help you decide. Number one, there should be one bathroom for every 2 occupants in the household, not counting very small children. Number two, there should be one bath per floor of the house, unless the house is quite small. Number three, if space allows, an ensuite of 2 to 5 pieces should be adjacent to the master bedroom. Just as the statistics and surveys show, professional bathroom renovations pay off with dollars back in your pocket.
The first consideration is still the comfort and convenience of your family. But remember, you can have your cake and eat it too. Here's Sam.
We hope the information we've passed on today helps you plot the right course for you, your family, and your bathroom. We've spent well over 40 years becoming specialists in the design, craftsmanship, and materials involved in building bathrooms. Our specialized market research with respected companies such as JMS Real Estate Appraisers and Consultants and others allow us to read the market accurately and propose solutions to our customers that are best for their individual needs. Finally, we've specialized in listening to our customers, designing carefully crafted bathrooms, and backing up our work with a comprehensive 5-year written guarantee. Thanks for listening to this presentation, and please feel free to contact me anytime if I can be of service.
Now that it's time to move forward in obtaining your dream bathroom, call Reno Canada now at 1-888-BATH-RENO for your best renovating investment. That's 1-888-228-4736. 1-888-228-4736.